everybody! Have you ever wondered just how hot the surface of the sun is? I mean, we all know it's really hot, but have you ever wondered about the specific temperature? Well, today we're going to find out not only how hot the sun is, but we're going to take a look at every planet in our solar system and find out what the temperature is like on those planets. Now, to keep things simple, we're going to be talking about the average surface temperature of each planet. For the gas giants, because they don't have a solid surface, we'll be talking about the temperature at the very top of the clouds. Some of these temperatures might really surprise you, so make sure you stick around until the very end to find out which planet is the coldest of them all. Let's get to it! First up is the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury. Now, you might think that being the closest planet to the sun would make Mercury a total inferno, and you'd be right. During the day, the surface of Mercury can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. But here's the crazy part. Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, temperatures plummet at night, getting as low as minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the most extreme in the entire solar system.
Next, we have Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a scorching hellscape with a thick atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide. This CO2 creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising the surface temperature to a scorching 880 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead and makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. You definitely don't want to be caught dead on Venus, it's way too hot. Earth, our home sweet home. Our planet has an average surface temperature of a comfortable 57 degrees Fahrenheit. This just right temperature is thanks to our atmosphere, which acts like a blanket, trapping heat from the sun and keeping our planet livable. It's not too hot, not too cold, it's just right. It's no wonder we call it the Goldilocks zone. Next up is Mars, the red planet. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which means it can't hold on to much heat from the sun. This results in a pretty chilly average surface temperature of about minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit. However, temperatures can vary quite a bit depending on the time of day and location. It might be cold, but scientists believe that Mars may have once been much warmer and wetter, with rivers, lakes, and maybe even life. Now we're moving into gas giant territory with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Since Jupiter is a gas giant, it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth or Mars. The temperature at the top of Jupiter's clouds is a frigid minus 166 degrees Fahrenheit. Deep down in Jupiter's atmosphere, temperatures and pressure increase dramatically, but we'll save that for another video. Next up is Saturn, famous for its stunning rings. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant with no solid surface. The temperature at the top of Saturn's clouds is even colder than Jupiter's, averaging around minus 288 degrees Fahrenheit. Those rings, by the way, are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to giant boulders. Uranus is an ice giant, and yeah, it totally lives up to its name with the coldest planetary atmosphere in our entire solar system. The average temperature at the top of its clouds is a bone-chilling minus 357 degrees Fahrenheit. Brr! That's seriously cold. What's even cooler, well, maybe stranger, is that Uranus is tilted on its side, which means it actually rotates like a rolling ball. Scientists think this weird tilt might have been caused by a massive collision way back in its early history. Last but not least, we've got Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune is another ice giant, and yeah, it's no slouch in the cold department either. The average temperature at the top of its clouds is a frigid minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit. And get this, Neptune is famous for having insanely strong winds. Like, we're talking speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. Pluto may be a dwarf planet, but oh man, it's still mighty cold. It's way out there in the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune, and its surface temperature is a freezing minus 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's so cold that nitrogen, the same stuff that makes up most of Earth's atmosphere, actually exists as a solid on Pluto's surface. Wild, right? So, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, Ceres is actually the largest object in the asteroid belt, and yep, it's classified as a dwarf planet. Temperatures on Ceres are a bit more variable than on some of the other dwarf planets. They can range from like minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit to a balmy minus 36 degrees Fahrenheit. And get this, Ceres is also super interesting because scientists believe it contains a significant amount of water ice beneath its surface. Pretty wild, right? Haumea is a unique dwarf planet located in the Kuiper belt. It has a strange, elongated shape, almost like a giant egg. Temperatures on Haumea are estimated to be around minus 395 degrees Fahrenheit. Haumea also has two moons, Hayaka and Namaka, which are named after the daughters of the Hawaiian goddess of childbirth and fertility, Haumea. Makemake is another dwarf planet located in the Kuiper belt. It's a bit smaller than Pluto and has a reddish-brown surface with a very thin atmosphere. Temperatures on Makemake are estimated to be about minus 399 degrees Fahrenheit. Makemake's surface is covered in frozen methane, ethane, and nitrogen, which gives it that reddish-brown hue. Last but not least, we have Eris, one of the largest known dwarf planets in our solar system. Located in the scattered disk beyond the Kuiper belt, Eris is a very distant and cold world. The surface temperature on Eris is estimated to be around minus 405 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest known places in our solar system. Well, there you have it, folks. We've gone on an epic journey through our solar system and explored the extreme temperatures of each planet. From the scorching heat of Venus to the frigid depths of Eris, our solar system is full of incredible diversity. It really makes you appreciate our own planet Earth, which sits comfortably in that sweet spot, the habitable zone. So, which planet's temperature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome space content, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos.